Okay, so this video is going to be all about discounts. So whenever you go to a store and you see a sale tag, it'll usually be given as a percent off of whatever the original cost was. So when you look through the flyers, you'll see that a lot as well. It might say save 20%. And sometimes it might only give you the original price. So that's when you need to know how to be able to calculate how much money you're going to save and what the new price is going to be. So we're going to do that here. So the instructions at the top tell you that whenever you're given a percent, you're going to convert that percent to a decimal first. Like we said before, we're dividing that percent by 100. The next thing you need to do is multiply the original price by that decimal that you got, and that's going to determine the discount. Okay, now that's key. That means that's not how much you're going to pay, that's how much money you're going to save. In order to find that new price, you're going to subtract, you're going to take the discount off of the original price, and that's going to give you your actual new cost. So your sale price. That's what that's going to give you there. Okay, so 3 steps to do these problems. I'm going to do a couple examples with you. So the first one says that a regular price for a pair of jeans is $85.50. So that's our original. Okay, they're on sale for 20% off. That's our percent there. And we need to find the sale price. So step 1 is convert the percent to a decimal. That's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to take 20% and we're going to divide by 100, and that will give us 0.20. Remember, if you're not sure, use your calculator. Okay, our second step up here, that one tells us to multiply the original price, so that $85.50, by the decimal. So I'm going to take $85.50 and I'm going to multiply by 0.20. Right? Use your calculator to find that. Times 0.2. You might notice I didn't put the zeros in there. If you're more comfortable putting zeros in, that's okay. So this tells us we have $17.10. It's that zero just isn't there. Okay, $17.10. Okay, this here, that's not how much you're going to pay. That is just the discount. So you're going to save $17.10. If I want to find the sale price, like the question asks me, I'm going to do that last step that we see up there, which is subtract discount from the original price. Okay, so we're going to take our $85.50 again, and we're going to subtract the amount of money we're going to save. Okay, use your calculator so you don't make little mistakes. And this will be how much you actually pay, right? So instead of $85.50, you're going to pay the sale price of $68.40, which is way better. Okay, let's try another one. Jenny wants a new smartphone. The original cost, okay, I'm going to underline those important words and numbers in my question. The original cost is $278, but it is on sale for 25% off. What is the cost of the smartphone? Okay, we're going to do the same steps. I won't write out the steps, but I am going to number my steps here, and I want you to do the same thing. So the very first step is convert the percent to a decimal by dividing by 100. So 25% divided by 100 becomes 0.25. Okay, the next step here, we have our decimal. Now we want to multiply that decimal by the original price so we can find the discount. So we're going to take our original price of $278, multiply it by 25, or 0.25, so that we can see what we actually are going to be able to save. 275 times 0.25 equals $69.50. That's how much you're going to save. Okay, what you save. All right, and very last step, we actually want to find the new cost of that smartphone, or the sale price. So we just take our original, subtract our discount, okay, and our smartphone will actually only cost $208.50. Okay, that is our sale price. Some things I want you to remember when you're writing dollar signs, some things that I've noticed we forget. Okay, our dollar sign here always goes at the front. Whenever we're talking about money, okay, we're always going to use the dollar sign at the beginning. The next thing is, after our decimal, we should always have two numbers. So even if my calculator only says 0.5, always remember to put that 0 afterwards. So 50 cents. Okay, that is always our cent place value. So don't forget those things when we're talking about money. Oh, and one thing I did forget is these are word problems, so we should be giving a sentence to finish the question. So the smartphone will cost $208.50. Okay, so that's how you should properly answer those questions. Okay, and I'm going to quickly go through this last one with you and let you move on to do some independent practice. Okay, Tom found a great deal on a new TV. The original cost was $648. It's on sale for 35% off. What's the sale price of the TV? All right, let's take our percent, divide that by 100 to get our decimal. Okay, next we're going to take our decimal. We're going to multiply it by that original price. So 648 times 0.35. Okay, and you should get $226.80. That's how much we're going to save. Okay, our last step here, let's see how much we're actually going to spend. So 648 was the original. Let's take off how much we're going to save. Okay, 648 minus 226.8 will give us $421.20. Okay, therefore the TV will cost $421.20. Okay, if you're not sure of any of these things that we did, make sure you pause the video, you go back, make sure your handout is completed fully with everything that you see here before you move on to the next page, which is some practice problems on discounts. Okay, if you get through that, feel free to move on to the next video.